Before we start, take a slow breath with me. In and out. Hello everyone and welcome back to the podcast. I am really glad you are here with us again, so sit and relax. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax and listen. Today's topic is something we all feel sometimes. Stress, pressure. That heavy feeling when your mind doesn't want to rest. Let me share with you a small story. It was late at night. The city was quiet, but Lena's mind was loud. Her phone was face down on the table, messages she hadn't answered, tasks she hadn't finished, dreams she wasn't sure she could reach.
I feel like I'm always behind. No matter how much I do, it never feels like enough.
When did you start feeling this way?
I don't know, maybe when I started comparing myself to everyone else.
That can be really heavy. Comparing yourself to others can steal your peace.
Sometimes I feel tired before the day even begins.
Sorry to hear that. I hope you get better.
Thank you. And by the way, when you said steal your peace, that phrase really stayed in my mind. It sounded important. What does steal your peace really mean?
Great question. When something steals your peace, it means it takes away your calm, your feeling of being okay inside.
Oh, that explains how I feel when I scroll on my phone too much. It's like my calm disappears.
Exactly. That's a very human feeling. Now repeat slowly with me and with Lena. Comparing myself to others makes me feel stressed.
I feel tired before the day begins.
Sometimes I need to slow down.
I am allowed to rest. Can I be honest? Sometimes I feel guilty when I rest, like I should always be doing something.
That's very common. But resting is not being lazy. Resting is taking care of yourself.
It feels hard to believe that. My mind keeps saying, do more, try harder, be better.
Your mind learned that voice from somewhere. But you don't have to believe every thought you have.
That's comforting to hear.
Let's try something different in this episode. Listen to the short situations. Pause the video after each one. Try to name the feeling in English. You have many tasks and not enough time. What is the feeling? Possible answers: stressed, overwhelmed, pressured.
You try your best, but things don't work out. What is the feeling? Possible answers: disappointed, frustrated, tired.
There is no perfect answer. Your feeling is valid. You don't have to fix your whole life today. You only have to breathe and take one small step.
Maybe today, my small step is just being kinder to myself.
That's a powerful step. Try to repeat this full sentence slowly. I don't have to be perfect to be enough. Again, slower. I don't have to be perfect to be enough.
But what if the stress doesn't go away? What if it comes back every day?
That's a real question. And in the next part, we'll talk about how to live with stress without letting it control you. Thank you for listening. You're doing something kind for yourself right now.
Even listening to English can be a form of self-care.
Before moving on to the next listening section, don't forget to take a rest. The rain was still falling outside. Not loud, just steady. The kind of rain that feels like time is slowing down.
When stress comes back, I feel like I failed again, like I didn't learn anything.
Stress coming back doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human. Feelings don't disappear forever. They come and they go.
So I don't need to fix myself?
No. You don't need fixing. You need understanding.
When you said feelings come and go, that sounded simple, but I don't really feel that when I'm stressed. How can something go if it feels permanent in the moment?
That's such an honest question. When we're inside a strong feeling, our mind tells us, this will last forever. But feelings are like weather. They change even when it doesn't feel like it.
So stress is like rain?
Yes, you don't have to stop the rain. You can just find a place to stand until it passes. Repeat slowly and gently. This feeling will pass.
I don't have to fight my feelings.
I can breathe through this moment.
I am allowed to feel what I feel.
Your mind says, I'm not doing enough.
Now repeat the kinder version. I am doing what I can right now.
Your mind says, everyone is better than me.
Now the kinder version. Everyone is on a different path.
Your mind says, I'm too slow.
Kinder version. My pace is okay for me. I think I'm scared that if I slow down, I'll fall behind.
Behind who?
Everyone.
There is no finish line in life, only your path and your pace.
When you say it like that, it feels lighter.
Let's take one slow breath together. In, hold, out. You don't need to solve your stress tonight. You only need to be here for this moment.
I feel calmer just listening.
Try to repeat this full sentence. I can be kind to myself even when I'm stressed. One more time, slower. I can be kind to myself even when I'm stressed.
I think I don't need my stress to disappear. I just need to stop being angry at myself for feeling it.
That's a beautiful realization. Stress is not your enemy. It's a signal that you care.
Thank you for listening to me, not trying to fix me.
You're welcome. You're not broken. You're human. If today felt heavy, remember this. You are not alone in your feelings.
And you don't need perfect English to express your heart. Your voice matters.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Remember,
You can learn English.
one conversation at a time. See you in the next episode, and feel free to listen to our earlier episodes too.